नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी सोनी, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक रिपर्टरी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर, digital version 2.0. Today's our topic is requisites or the need of card repertory and features of the card repertory. Feature need for the selection of the cards. First is important generals are used as rubrics. Cards are punched for remedies with their higher evaluation like 3 and 2. The cards are employed to determine the likely group of remedies that closely corresponds to the general picture of the case. Further differentiation in this group is not possible for that refer to the remedies in the cant. Particulars are used for final differentiation only. Since numerical evaluation plays a little role, no advantage of indicating the evaluation of remedies on the cards. Cases with weak generals and strong particular are unsuitable, so this method suits best for the chronic cases. Requisites for a good card repertory. First is should be of a standard texture and the thinness. मतलब कार्ड जो है उसका टेक्सचर अच्छा होना चाहिए, उसका थिननेस अच्छी होनी चाहिए ताकि जब हम उसको रिपर्टराइजेशन करें तो वी कैन यूज द कार्ड बाय हैंड। सो पकड़ने में थोड़ा अच्छा हो ताकि हम अरेंज अच्छे से कर सकें उसको, और फिर उसके बाद उसमें पंच वगैरह भी अच्छे से हो जाए। इस वजह से उनका जो टेक्सचर हो वो अच्छा टेक्सचर वाला ही कार्ड यूज करना होगा। Should be strong as well as thin, and so that they should not shut off the light and completely when held against the light. जब भी हम कार्ड्स को अरेंज करते हैं तो उनकी क्वालिटी अच्छी होनी चाहिए, थिन होनी चाहिए, क्योंकि जब हम कार्ड को लाइट की तरफ करें तो जो भी एक प्रॉपर लाइट आती है उससे पंच से जो होल है वहां से वो हमें दिखाई दे, ताकि बीच में जो भी एक एक्स्ट्रा कार्ड ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन आ रहा है तो उसको हम इजीली रिमूव कर सकें। अगर मोटे हम कार्ड यूज करेंगे तो वहां पे ये आपको फैसिलिटी नहीं मिलेगी। द पंचिंग शुड फॉलो द यूजुअल स्टैंडर्ड सो दैट मशीन आर एबल टू पंच और शॉर्ट दैम ऑटोमेटिकली। पंचिंग अच्छी से अच्छी होनी चाहिए, सो वी कैन यूज द पंचिंग मशीन फॉर दैट। एंड पंचिंग का जो हो पंचिंग के बाद जो होल बनता है वो प्रॉपर एंड क्लियर होना चाहिए, बीच में कोई भी ऑब्स्ट्रक्शन नहीं होने चाहिए। The card system should be elastic so that new rubrics remedies introduced or added if required. The card system should be made from comprehensive so that maximum demands on repertorial analysis can be met. There should be a provision for cross reference so we can use. The rubric should be arranged that it takes minimum time to sort them out from the index. The punching on the card should be able to indicate the degree or valuation of drugs if desired in a particular rubric. Dr. Marcos was first introduced evaluation of drugs on the cards. Card repertory was book repertory. That is a comparison. Principle, no fixed principle, but only a modified concept of totality we can use. And Kant based on general to particular, Boger based on particular to general. In card repertory, no gradation, but in Kant and Boger, we can use the gradation 3-1 and 5-4-3-1. Repertorization is less time consuming by card, but in books, very time consuming. Analysis and evaluation not needed in the card repertory, and as per the evaluation according to their importance. But in book repertory, both are needed. Not economical, not costly. Card repertory, we can use any type of card, but book repertories have economically costly. Simple to operate layman can handle this card repertories. Tedious to operate need a proper knowledge of the principle and repertorization for book. And difficult to maintain, simple and easy to maintain means difficult to maintain card repertory, and books are simple and easy to maintain. The number of cards representing the rubric is more with the addition of rare remedies. The number of rubrics and medicine representing them are less. Not frequently used as other repertory, and books are used more frequently. Suited to case with full blown picture card repertory, suited to cases with full blown picture, but in book method we can use any type of cases and most all type of cases. No role of grand generalization, and it is particular emphasized in Boger. Layout basically given emphasis on general lay and emphasis on Boger, general and particular both. No paperwork needed in card repertory, but in books, all total paperwork are needed. Thank you. Hope you are understand this session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box.